MultiBank FX says it's the world's most regulated broker. Bold claim. So, we put them to the test. Hey, I'm Andy Roberts from FXEmpire.com. With over a decade of reviewing brokers, we know what really matters, like hidden fees, trust signals, and trading costs. We've checked out everything, the good and the bad, so you'll know exactly what to expect with MultiBank. In this video, we'll cover, is MultiBank really as safe as they claim? How do their fees and spreads stack up? We'll explore their range of assets, tools, and take you inside their platforms to see how they really hold up. By the end, you'll know how well MultiBank matches your trading goals. Let's get started. So I mentioned that MultiBank calls itself the world's most regulated broker. Let's see what that really means when it comes to trust and trader protection. MultiBank was founded back in 2005 and is now headquartered in Dubai. And yes, their regulatory coverage really is impressive. They operate 15 entities that are authorized and regulated by various financial authorities. 8 of these are top-tier ones, including ASIC in Australia, CySec in Cyprus, BaFin in Germany, FMA in Austria, SCA in the United Arab Emirates, and MAS in Singapore. So what does this mean for you as a trader? First, the broker's been around for nearly 20 years, which is always a good sign of stability. Like many global brokers, they operate multiple entities, and the level of protection depends on which one you signed up with. Most of them segregate client funds. This means your money is kept separate from the broker's own operational funds, a key safeguard. Some also offer negative balance protection, so your account can't fall below zero even during sharp market moves. If you're registered under a European entity, you're covered by the Investor Compensation Fund, which covers up to 20,000 euros in protection. That's basically a safety net that protects your funds if the broker ever fails. And if you're trading under the Cayman Islands entity, there's up to $1 million in private civil liability insurance. One small but helpful detail we liked, MultiBank displays live spreads right on its website so you can easily check pricing transparency. Even better, the MultiBank app shows the spreads between bid and ask automatically, no need to calculate it for yourself. Based on all that, we gave MultiBank a trust rating of 4.5 out of 5. Now let's talk about trading fees. MultiBank has 3 account types, Standard, Pro, and ECN. To keep things fair, we checked the spreads on the standard commission-free account during the busiest trading hours in the London and New York sessions. Let's break it down with the numbers shown in this table. Overall, we found that spreads range from low to average compared to the broad industry. The lowest spreads in our tests were on share CFDs, US and European stock indices, and minor Forex pairs. Spreads on commodities like gold and crude oil were in line with the industry average. Meanwhile, spreads on major Forex pairs and cryptocurrencies came in above average. We also looked at swap fees, what you pay to hold a position overnight. In most cases, MultiBank swaps were lower than the industry benchmark, so it can be a solid option for longer-term traders. But there's also no deposit or withdrawal fees. But keep in mind, if you don't use your account for more than 3 months, there's a $60 inactivity fee. That's pretty steep compared to other brokers, so it's something to watch out for if you're not trading regularly. However, if your account is already in debit or your balance is under $60, they'll only deduct enough to bring it to zero. They won't put your account into the negative. So to sum it up, spreads are low to average across most asset classes. So we gave MultiBank a fee score of 4 out of 5. Fees are one thing, but what about the platforms you'll be using day to day? Let's check out what MultiBank offers. You've got 3 main options, MT4, MT5, and MultiBank's own platform, the MultiBank app, available on both web and mobile. The MultiBank web platform is a solid pick for beginners and intermediate traders. It's built on TradingView, so the charting is strong, and you'll find built-in tutorials and market news too. It also supports copy trading, but it doesn't allow for automated strategies, so that's something to keep in mind. The mobile app carries over most of the same features. It's clean, easy to use, and great for managing trades on the go, especially if you're just getting started. If you're a more advanced trader, you might prefer MT5 on desktop. It's more customizable and it supports automated trading. The web version is simpler, but still fine for basic charting and placing trades. There's also some useful extras. Free VPS hosting if you meet certain trading volume and balance requirements. For high volume traders, there's fixed API access for direct market execution. And if you're running higher risk strategies, MultiBank also offers leverage of up to 1 to 500, which gives you more flexibility. We tried out both the web and mobile versions to get a feel of how they worked in practice. Let's see. Here we have the MultiBank custom web trading platform. On the home screen, you'll see some helpful account information along with lists of top gainers and losers and a snapshot of popular markets being traded right now. You can customize your watch list at the bottom and access all the different asset classes available to trade. On the right-hand side, there's a smart learning section that includes educational videos on how to use the platform and a wide range of trading topics. Just below that, you'll find top stories and market news. If we click on the Trade tab on the left-hand side, we can access all available symbols, including Forex, metals, shares, indices, commodities, and cryptos. In the middle, you'll find charts powered by TradingView. They're clean, responsive, and packed with features. A wide variety of timeframes, multiple chart types, and lots of popular technical indicators, all easily added to the chart with just a single click. You'll also find many drawing tools, including trend lines, Fibonacci levels, and harmonic patterns, all great for technical analysis. On the right-hand side is the trader ticket. You can choose between market, limit, or stop orders. You can quickly input your lot size and see the required margin. It's easy to set take profit and stop loss levels before placing a trade. Open trades appear at the bottom right. From there, you can actually click on any position to modify or close it. Overall, it's a feature-rich and user-friendly trading platform that's easy to navigate and highly functional, suitable for all trading styles and experience levels. Okay, so now for the MultiBank Plus mobile app. Right at the top of the Home tab, you'll see the top gainers and top losers, great for spotting market movers at a glance. Just below, you can browse popular instruments and then your watch lists, either based on your favorite instruments or organized by asset class. Scroll down a little bit more and you'll find educational resources, and below that, you've got the top stories of the day to stay in the loop. Over in the Trade tab, you'll find watch lists again. With just a tap, you can open up the chart and the order ticket. Smooth and easy. The Portfolio tab helps you track everything. Your open positions, pending orders, and full trade history are all right there. And finally, the Funds tab makes it super simple to deposit or withdraw funds whenever you need. So overall, MultiBank has a good mix of platforms and tools. We gave it a 4.6 out of 5 in this category. Finally, does MultiBank offer the range of instruments you need? They offer a huge lineup with over 14,000 CFDs in total. That includes 40 Forex pairs, 11 commodities, 23 indices, 13 cryptocurrencies, and a massive selection of share CFDs. For most asset classes, the range is about what you'd expect from a big broker, but where MultiBank really stands out is in the number of stocks and indices you can trade. One thing missing though is low-risk assets like ETFs or bonds, which could be a downside if that's part of your strategy. Based on all that, we gave MultiBank a 4.5 out of 5 for tradable instruments. Before we get into the most important part, who MultiBank is really best for, here's why you can trust our insights. Our team includes experienced analysts and pro traders. We've been reviewing brokers for over a decade, more than 80 each year, so we know what really sets the best ones apart. So the big question, is MultiBank the right broker for you? Let's quickly run through the pros and cons. First off, regulation. MultiBank is licensed by 15 regulators. That is way more than most brokers out there. They've also got a 20-year track record with a clean compliance history and over 80 industry awards. You can trade over 14,000 CFDs, including Forex, indices, commodities, crypto, and a huge number of stocks. Platform-wise, you've got options. There's MetaTrader for desktop and mobile, plus MultiBank's custom app. There are 3 account types, Standard, Pro, and ECN, so you can choose between commission-free or low spread setups depending on how you trade. Spreads are especially good on minor Forex pairs, US indices, and stock CFDs. The broker's in-house content team publishes regular market research plus trading signals and news updates, all pretty easy to follow. Behind the scenes, they're connected to over 20 liquidity providers, so trades go through fast, even in busy markets. They also run some solid bonuses and partner programs. For example, traders can get up to 20% deposit bonus, up to $40,000, and there's a cashback program that rewards high volume trading in Forex and metals. And if you're just starting out, there is a lot of helpful content from courses to ebooks to YouTube tutorials. On the downside, in our tests on the standard commission-free account, spreads on major Forex pairs and Bitcoin were a bit higher than the industry average. But MultiBank also offers Pro and ECN accounts, which charge commissions but offer much lower spreads. Protections like negative balance protection and a compensation scheme depend on which region you register under. It's not the same for everyone. So with all that in mind, who is MultiBank best suited for? If you're a casual trader, a news trader, or into copy trading, MultiBank is a great fit. The platforms are easy to use, packed with features, and backed by solid market research. It's also a strong option for automated traders. You can run expert advisors on MT5, use VPS hosting for low latency trades, and even access FXApis for direct market access. Overall, MultiBank supports a wide range of trading styles, whether you're into swing trading, day trading, or scalping. You'll find low spreads on many markets, ECN account options, low overnight fees, and fast order execution with features like one-click trading. All in all, we gave MultiBank a 4.5 out of 5. It's a strong broker overall with a lot to offer. Want to check them out? Click the link in the description or in the top right corner to get the best offer available in your region. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth broker reviews. And hey, YouTube thinks this video might interest you too, so let's see if they're right.